Dear friends, we are excited to present the new generation of our best-selling adhesive application machine, the SPL9, now equipped with a system for applying two-component EPI adhesive. Widely used in the woodworking industry, this solution ensures reliable bonding of various wood-based sandwich panels. Since component A of the EPI system is water-based, it requires high-quality pumps and adhesive lines made of stainless steel. Our SPL9 incorporates precision stainless steel dosing pumps manufactured in Germany, guaranteeing durability and performance. The mixing of EPI components takes place in a static mixer, after which the blended adhesive is delivered to the glue-applying head, which can be configured in widths ranging from 150 millimeters to 500 millimeters depending on material size. For additional convenience, the system can also be equipped with an automatic conveyor and components cleaning station.